Hello guys, welcome to today's vlog. I hope you guys are all having a very good day today. It is about it is about 8 o'clock right now, and we are heading to go pick them up from the morning bite. Let's go. Let's go ahead to pick them up right now. Yeah, this is how we're gonna start our day. We're gonna pick them up right now. We're gonna sit in the front. Okay, we'll sit in the back. If there's room. I'll sit over here. Okay, let's head. Oh, the front? Okay. We're heading to the camp right now. Jacob.
Hi!
Yeah, they can't hear.
A fly just came in a bee.
Oh, are there still bees out there?
Yes, there is still bees. Some stuff is coming in.
Oh yeah, they're coming over here now.
Oh, she's waving to us. Mom's waving to us. What is this? Is that a
sailboat?
bobber?
No, it's a sailboat.
Pay attention. I don't want you to.
Oh, it is a bobber.
No?
There's a plastic cup. It's a plastic cup on the ground.
Are you supposed to be able to slow down?
Uh-huh. See?
Not like this. I don't know like this. I'm not used to this. You might want to turn the trailer a little bit more.
I gotta. I need to sit down.
No, it was just like
They're in the boat.
just like
We got them.
This was on, remember on the POTUS thing, would this help though?
that probably would have worked, but it worked fine.
Okay.
So I ain't gonna touch it.
Grandpa,
Should we get some
Sorry.
fuel while we're on our way?
Yeah, get gas.
So,
That was a perfect pickup.
everything else went good?
Yeah. Now you have the different environment casting problem.
Guys, we just picked them up and we are back to the campsite. Alright, are we rolling? I don't know. Okay, yeah, alright, it's on. Alright guys. Alright, so we just finished breakfast. We finished breakfast. Breakfast was awesome. Grandma, thank you for breakfast.
He's finished. Oh.
And Eli actually just arrived at the lake, and Eli is addicted. Hey Eli, if you're watching the vlog right now, I'm so sorry to talk about you.
Hey, you should film me.
You need to get in your bathing suit.
What? My trunks.
I'm sorry, your trunks.
Alright. Yeah, don't say it at all. Be kind to one another, Nate.
Take it over now.
Alright guys, so as I was saying, okay, as I was saying guys,
We need to get in our suits and go swimming.
yeah, okay, so, okay, it's so hard to vlog with tons of people talking.
Oh, you
Okay, so as I was saying guys, Eli is so addicted to that Pokemon game. You guys know what I'm talking
Why don't
about.
we all agree?
Alright guys, so we are getting ready to head over to the lake. Oh, I'm looking at myself on the TV.
I'm gonna leave my wallet.
But yeah, we're getting ready to go to the lake. Yeah, we're gonna have ourselves a good time. Alright, so the next footage in a second, you'll probably see me at the lake. Alright guys, so I am vlogging without the case on the camera right now, so I can actually talk to you guys. So we are getting everything ready. We're getting the truck to the kayak, and we're gonna go load up the kayak right now and get it all ready, and we're going to go kayaking. We're gonna go swimming. We're gonna have ourselves an awesome day. Why? Because we always do, right guys? Yeah, right. So yeah, it's gonna be another day like yesterday, and I'm gonna try to get a lot of footage for you guys. You guys recording? Ready guys? I guess we're gonna go take a dive underwater. Yeah, you want to dive? Okay. Oh, yeah. And then we're going a day at Lake Pleasant, getting ready to go scuba dive for bass. Well, you know what's weird? Your voice changes on camera. You have a different voice when you're on camera. Ready, Eli? Go. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna go like this. Wait, hold on. Can I see it for just 1 second? I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, it's recording. And if it falls, I'll pick it. Wait, throw it underwater? Underwater, yeah. Wait, well, Eli. It floats. Oh, okay. Throw it under you. Underwater. Alright guys, so right now we're enjoying another kayak ride on the far for the other one. Now I gotta swim back. I got hijacked. He hijacked me. So I got hijacked. Nate took the kayak. I'm in really deep water. And we gotta swim back. Shore. Here we go. By the way, guys, I have to film with one hand and swim with one hand. So it's really hard to swim right now. And I got a kayak right behind me. Hey, guys, we're gonna hit you ride on the kayak. Oh, now he's telling me to let go. This is I'm gonna lean this way. Okay, lean it. Come on. I still can't touch at all. No, I can't. Guys, I still can't touch. They keep saying, oh, I can't touch. No, I can't touch. Oh, now I can touch. Woo. Here. Made it to land. Guys, just made it back in from the lake. Had a lot of fun. And now we're gonna eat lunch. We'll get changed and eat lunch.
Let's take a look.
Hi, Mom.
It is.
Hi. Alright, guys. So I haven't been really vlogging that much. We just took a nap and now we're up. But
Did you sleep?
yeah, I did. Did you?
I did. Now I'm getting all sentimental.
Yeah, now she's getting something looking up because my mom, Jacob, and my grandpa are going on the night bite, and we are gonna head down for a night swim down at the lake again. We're gonna head down to the lake for another night swim. You ready, Grandma, for another night swim? And we're gonna try to get a ride going down.
All right.
But yeah, we're gonna get ready to go. I will see you all. My camera's falling. Alright. I will see you all when we get ready. And also, guys, we're actually watching TV right now. But if you guys are enjoying this vlog, give this vlog a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. But yeah, let's continue this vlog. Now, I don't know if I'm actually going to be vlogging at the lake. Why? I don't know if I'm going to bring the vlog camera. Well, I'm not bringing the vlog camera. But I don't know if I'm going to bring the waterproof camera. Yeah, I think we may just swim and have fun. I'll see what we're going to do. Alright, guys. So I just changed my clothes back into my swimming clothes, and we are gonna go swimming. But right now they're gonna go drop them off at the lake. They're taking the boat out right now for the night bite. But we're ready to go.
We'll be going on tomorrow's night bite.
Yeah, I get tomorrow's night bite. So guys, be ready for tomorrow's vlog, because tomorrow's vlog is gonna be a lot of fun. I get to go on the night bite, get to get boat footage. And I think we're going to go tubing tomorrow, is that right?
Yeah, after the morning bite.
Yeah, after the morning bite, when we go pick them up from the morning bite, which I'll vlog again. I like to vlog in the morning. But yeah, when we pick them up from the morning bite, we're going to come back, eat breakfast, take a mini break, and we're going to head tubing. And I will get a lot of footage for you guys. So if you do, stick around. Please, guys, watch tomorrow's vlog. If you're watching this part right now, watch tomorrow's vlog when it goes up. Okay, guys? Guys, let me show you guys, let me show you what we have in this bag. We actually have these cool pool toys right here.
But we can't use them because
But we're not using them because the pool's not open.
we got 2 of them.
Yeah, we got 2 packs, but you throw these fish, you throw the fish in the water, and the fish swim. So they swim in the water once you throw them. So that's pretty cool. I wish the pool was opened, but the pool is closed. It's actually getting worked on as we're up here. So I wish it was open, because we can get pool footage. But I actually have these for bike footage, guys. So if I get time to put my light on the bike, I may be putting the lights on my bike tomorrow, because my dad's gonna be here. I'm gonna go actually on a sunset walk tonight and get footage for the vlog by taking pictures for thumbnails. So, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's been a very, very amazing day today. Hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. I've been loving this vacation, guys. It's my first vacation to vlog this summer. Can you believe that, Nate? First vacation to actually vlog this summer.
It's the only vacation we've ever been on.
Yeah, it's the only one for the summer.
It's the only vacation we've been on this summer.
Yeah, but we get another one next week. Yeah, so yeah, it's awesome. We get this vacation, we got another vacation coming up, and then we're back to school. So yeah. So guys, it is so sad because we go back to school in about 3 weeks, and that's it of daily vlogs. I go back to weekly vlogs. I know you guys are probably like, why are you gonna go back to weekly? I hate weekly because the vlogs are too long. Well, I know what I'm doing now. I know you guys are gonna be just wait. I think the new intro is gonna be out by the time you're seeing this vlog right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to end my vlog right here. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. If you did enjoy this vlog, give this vlog a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Be kind to one and other. Bye. Boop, beep, whatever you want to say. Beep.